preposterous that they would try to charge him for doing undercover police work.
Tonight, we're taking a look at the prostitution charges against former Fort Myers Police Captain Jay Rodriguez and if they could be dropped by the state attorney's office. One local attorney is questioning those charges, saying Rodriguez's behavior was unethical, but criminally prosecuting him should not apply. The case is also going forward despite the statute of limitations time frame. Now, it was back in 2013 when Rodriguez was accused of engaging in a sex act at a massage parlor while working undercover. Fox 4's Rochelle Aline spoke with that attorney earlier today and has more details. Rochelle?
Jane, Spencer Cordell tells me that the charges on this arrest document should be thrown out, and if anything, Rodriguez should have been disciplined internally.
The police department can take or could have taken action against him independent of the criminal charge. You don't have to charge an officer to fire them if you have other sufficient grounds to do that.
Fired. According to Fort Myers attorney Spencer Cordell, that's all that should have happened to former Fort Myers police captain Jay Rodriguez and nothing else. This after Rodriguez was arrested on prostitution, misconduct, and perjury charges Tuesday in connection to an undercover sting in 2013.
It seems like a politically motivated charge when they come down with charges that seem too severe, just 10 days after they got called out in the media for him still being on the payroll.
According to the Florida Department of Law Enforcement, Rodriguez engaged in a sex act while carrying out that sting at a massage parlor. A warrant shows that Rodriguez lied about that act shortly after the sting was over, and again during an internal investigation into the matter in December of 2018.
The bigger concern for something like that is if he's making a false statement or misleading things or leaving out evidence, is as a defense attorney, that may be exonerating evidence.
Rodriguez's case has been kicked up to the 12th Judicial Court in Sarasota, which will ultimately decide if the case should move forward. However, if it's proven that the charges against Rodriguez don't have a strong enough legal basis, Cordell says there isn't much he can do in response.
So I'm sitting here looking at these charges and I'm saying that the investigators who filed these charges are overreaching, but if they've got a good faith basis to believe it, very, very hard to sue them or their police department.
We reached out to Rodriguez's attorney, who gave us no comment. He's due back in court next month. In Fort Myers, Rochelle Aline, Fox 4, in your corner.
All right, presenting the